Hi, my name is Pilar.
Hi, my name is Manon.
Our topic is about the hidden procedure and darkness that lays within the chocolate you eat.
Last 2010, over 1.4 million tons of cocoa was produced in Ivory Coast. Have you thought about everything it took to produce the 1.4 million tons of cocoa beans? The resources from the chocolate you eat are the following: cocoa beans, milk, sugar, vegetable oil, and cocoa butter.
Humans that eat chocolate or consumers of cocoa beans to produce chocolate are the ones who use it.
It is consumed to produce chocolate, for chocolate is made with cocoa beans.
Many people consume chocolate. A lot more companies want more cocoa beans to obtain more money.
After the cocoa beans are cut down, they place them under the sun in piles for 5 to 8 days.
Then they are packed up and placed them in trucks or ships for all over the world. Chocolate is consumed by us who love to eat.
Around 40 million people, including 5 million farmers, live in Ivory Coast.
Most cocoa bean farmers are children below the age of 15 years old.
Many children do not get paid for the work they do, 8 hours a day, and children are sold for about only $20.
Producing cocoa beans means many trees are cut down, and hybrid cocoa beans can impact ecosystems for the water and erosion, and it can destroy the environment.
This is caused by the chemicals needed to remove pests on the cocoa trees.
This helps conserve the habitat of the threatened plant and animal species, protect natural pollinators and predators of cocoa pests.
Cocoa farming impacts the homes of birds, mammals, and reptiles, as well as the rainforest food.
A more sustainable way to consume resource is known as mixed farming landscape, which shades the cocoa trees and permits birds, mammals, and reptiles to eat pests off from the plant, which prevents the use of pesticides or chemicals.
This is not only a massive benefit on biodiversity, but also meaning a healthier environment, which means healthier cocoa. Many work together to split the job by working and doing their part. When cocoa beans are ready, the beans are transported to move to other farms.
When they are shipped, they are brought to different countries. When they are produced or made into chocolate, they are stacked up into stores and sold to consumers. And everyone has done this.
Children in Ivory Coast are forced to work for 80 to 100 hours per week.
During the plantations, the workers are rarely paid. When they try to flee, they are beaten and even sometimes killed.
The cocoa trees are planted in existing agricultural landscapes. This is very beneficial for biodiversity because habitats are not taken away because the cocoa farmlands already exist, which means forest habitats are not cut down.
Farmers are enabled to migrate to other existing farmlands rather than repeating the clearance of rainforest.
Birds, mammals, and reptiles will not lose their homes because mixed farming landscape and agricultural farming enables that for the system of clearing. Mixed farming landscape reduces the cutting down of habitats of plants and animals.
Mixed farming landscape reduces the use of pesticides and fertilizers, which reduces the impact on chemicals affecting food chains.
In Ivory Coast, cocoa beans are farmed over 18 million acres.
This is dangerous for kids because they could get hurt since there isn't any supervision. This is the area where most of the child labor takes place in.
It is in Ivory Coast, Africa.
Every time someone goes to buy chocolate, they should get fair trade chocolate.
When people buy this type of chocolate, it has a huge impact on the people who grow and make the cocoa beans.
For one thing, they actually get a good price for what they made. Also, children would get to go to school instead of working in the field.
There are now also using mixed farming landscape that gives shade to the plants, cocoa trees, and for the animals.
This means a healthy environment and healthy cocoa beans. 90% of the cocoa workers are children, but fair trade chocolate permits the children to learn and go to school.
The money they earn goes to their parents so that they can afford food and education instead of working 1/3 of the day. A sustainable economic development is very important because many farmers only earn pennies for the chocolate you buy.
Farmers cannot ask for a better payment and even can't afford to pay for food, school uniform for their children, and a trip to the doctor when they're ill.